Hello treasures, welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are doing great. In today's video I'm going to show you how I made this refreshing pineapple, carrot and mango juice for detox and a clearer skin. Hope you enjoy watching. Thank you. So here I've got some mangoes, pineapple, carrots and a little ginger root, and I've washed them thoroughly. So the next thing I'm going to do is to remove the skin and slice them for juicing. I'm done peeling off the skin and cutting them, and there I have the carrots and also the ginger roots. The next thing I'll do now is to use my juicer and juice them. You can use blender, just add a little water in the blender, blend and sieve them out. But today I'm using my juicer. I just started with the pineapple and I'll continue to juice them one after the other. And here we have our pineapple, mango, carrot, and the ginger juice. This juice is very good for your immune system, good for detoxing your body system, good for your eyes because of the carrot there, good for your immune system, and very relaxing and refreshing when taking chilled. I hope you try this out and I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe if you haven't, and also share the video. Until I see you again in our next video, remain blessed and safe. Love you all. Bye bye.